Yo, what is good? YouTube and EDK team, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to another video with me, with my girlfriend and my little princess. And you guys, we're gonna go ahead and be doing a 100 Oreo challenge. I'm not gonna be doing it by myself. She's gonna help me, so we're gonna go ahead and do halves. So I got 50 right here. We went ahead and went to the store and picked out the ones we wanted. I picked red velvet, of course, because I like red velvet, and I got birthday cake. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 packets for me.
And 2 packets for me. I got a half and half, which they look pretty good. And then I got, what flavor is this? Vanilla?
Yeah.
And then I got vanilla.
So we're gonna go ahead and attempt to
eat them all
within 10 minutes. If we do it in 10 minutes or before, that'd be great. But let's see how this challenge turns out. And we hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see more of us, like always, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up to see more of us. We're a pretty cool family. We're a family of
5.
Of 5. We got 3 crazy kids. Me, myself, and my girl. And yeah, you guys want to see how we live, our interesting life? Welcome. Don't be scared. Hit that subscribe button. So we're gonna go ahead and get this challenge started. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my 2 packets. Where does it have a? Oh, it does right here. Ooh, you
just dropped my phone.
All right. So the whole point is to finish 100 Oreos in 10 minutes.
Do we open both packets?
Yeah, go ahead and open the both packets.
No, look at yours hard to open up.
Yeah, what is it? Okay, just go put it over here.
Oh my god, I think it's gonna.
Let's see if there's hold on. 25 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Yep.
26.
There you go.
Well, an extra one.
So
You're
gonna eat 52.
52. So it's gonna be a little bit over 100. What?
There you go.
Oh, well, okay, whatever.
Here, mommy.
So she's gonna help us out. She's gonna do the challenge with us too. So we got our packet of milk. Our packet of cookies here. As you guys can see, I counted them in front of you, so there's no cheating. We got 25 here, 25 here, 50, and 50. So with both of us, we're gonna go ahead and do the 100, and let's see how it turns out. I'm pretty sure I'll finish them. I don't know about her. So we got our milk here. I'm gonna open up our milk, pour a glass of milk.
Oh, and I got the timer. The timer is on 0 right now. Or should we do 10?
Do 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, that's
okay.
cool. I'll be heading my... Ooh, these look pretty cool too. Look at this. They look like confetti or little flakes. Look how I'll trade you one. You having fun there, Mamas? I'll get you one. You give me one. You just traded? Oh.
Alright. I had to get a set, but it went down a second. But here we go. 10 minutes.
Not a second.
Yeah.
Does it do 10?
Oh, sorry. My bad.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
There you go. You ready?
I'm super hungry.
And
You did to me. Look what you did to me.
ready?
Ready? Here we go.
There you go. Oh, birthday cake one is good.
You want to get this? I'm gonna try this one. My first time trying these red velvet ones.
And birthday cake.
And birthday cake.
Oh my god, look at this face.
Mama.
Oh, she got a big cookie in there, bro.
So how's everybody doing? On this wonderful Tuesday. This week, this week seems to be going quite slow. Oh, this is tomorrow, I think. Hold on. That's cool. If you guys want to see us do any more like food challenges, let us know in the comments below.
What?
We'll go ahead and do it. Sorry guys, I'm out. Cool. We're gonna go ahead and some junk food in there. Hey, I'm gonna dump some in there. I'm gonna get salty. My hands are clean though, too. Well, you're gonna say, oh, no. You're gonna put it in there. We're always up for new challenges. Especially eating challenges. Like, that's right there. No, I forgot there's one of them little stuff in there. Troublemaker. Should actually pull everything away from us.
Where's my cup? What would you do? My daughter though.
How's the timer looking?
Well, 7 minutes.
7 minutes already?
10 seconds.
No.
What?
By the way, this is a lot of sugar we're eating.
What?
Nothing.
Oh my gosh! Wait! Oh my goodness. Ah!
Crazy baby.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Wait, baby. Look at she's trying to see what I'm doing! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! No, these are mommy's. Oh my goodness! Hold on. What?
Well, this is pretty hard.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's too sweet.
Very sweet.
Really sweet. I could only probably finish the whole thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to complete this challenge.
Oh, it's too sweet.
I don't know, guys. I don't know who will go ahead and complete it.
I'm ready for this sick.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm ready for this
I'm
sick.
feeling this thing pretty hard.
Oh. Oh.
Did we eat it bad?
Did we eat it too
I don't know, did it? I barely finished the roll. And some of these, look at.
I only have one rope. And I feel nasty. I only have one rope. And I feel nasty.
This is too sweet.
Oh.
What? 2,000 calories for one million packet. That's a lot of calories.
We're trying to lose weight, not gain weight.
Ugh.
Oh, I can't.
I don't know, guys. I don't think we can complete this challenge. We're gonna go ahead and try to do the 100 chicken nuggets challenge. I think that one would be a little bit better because we ain't gotta worry about too much sugar and probably end up in the hospital with diabetes or something.
I don't even see it. I gotta fart.
Dude, you're always smart.
I don't fart.
God damn it. Alrighty, guys. We're not gonna go ahead and be able to complete this challenge. So you see, these are too many cookies. I'm not used to eating that much sweets.
I still got it.
I'm not, it's not going good in my stomach. Too much sugar. I don't really eat that much sugar. But anyways, if you guys would, you guys want to see more videos with us, if you guys want to have a good time with us, conversate, get to know us, we talk back. You guys ask the questions, we talk back. We're a pretty cool family. You guys want to have a good laugh, you guys want to have a good conversation, you guys got any questions, let us know. We're always up to make some funny videos.
Oh, look, guys.
Make people laugh.
Julie got new earrings.
Yeah, she got ladybug earrings.
They're so cute.
Some ladybugs.
They're so cute.
But yeah.
Daddy picked them out.
Yeah, so you guys are down to have a good laugh, or have a conversation or anything.
Or have Shailene do a challenge. Look at her.
Let us know. She already made a mess. Shailene. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a complete fail. We thought we were gonna be able to do it, but
it looked easy. Honestly,
yeah,
it looked really easy. So we were like, let's give it a try. It looks easy to do, but
it's too sweet. Yeah. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. That sugar got to me. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you guys drop a comment below, and let us know what you guys think. Thank you guys.